Good morning, friends. And today I wanted to speak to you about growing the community. So, when I just started, I've seen those apps which promise you to grow your community fast, and they do all kind of interesting things. For example, they monitor the hashtags and then they start liking people's posts and so on and so on. And they promise this hyper growth fast. And well, normally I don't take such things lightly, so I did my research. You can do yours. So first of the things which made me interested is that these platforms itself, they have, well, some of them, the ones I took a look at, they had like 5,000 on Twitter. So my first question was, if your system is so good, then why aren't you using it yourself? And then second thing was that, well, it's cheating in a way, and I don't think that anybody actually needs this fake number there, because my idea is not to have a beautiful number. My idea is to make an impact in the community. My idea is to make sure that I have people in my network whom I can help, because that's the only thing which matters. Because if people who I'm collaborating with, if they're really and genuinely interested in my posts, then well, they will come, and they will come in numbers, and we'll have a healthy discussions, and that will be the very point of having a Twitter. And well, also you need to understand that even if some things are allowed at the moment, like some kind of cheating, then at some point in the future, Twitter will catch up with them, because Twitter is not interested in those bots liking each other, and they might get prohibited, and there might be impact on your account. And also imagine if it wasn't me liking all my friends and putting comments there, but it was some artificial stuff. So even if it wrote completely correct stuff, completely correct things grammatically, then at some point I could have had this, let's say, this thing, instead of me liking Eddie's post, this thing would have liked it, and then at some point Eddie would have asked me like, "Oh, like thank you for this thank you for this kind comment," and I'd be like, "Oops," and that damages relationship. Well, I haven't tried it, but I'm quite sure it will damage. So what's the opposite of it? The opposite of it is natural growth. So and focusing. So instead of having this system, kind of smart system, but it's not really, which would like people's posts all the day long, instead of that, I would rather come to, let's say, Eddie's talk. Eddie is the one who is the GitStab hyperstar, actually. I'm not sure how many hundred thousands subscribers he has at the moment, but that's a lot, guys. So yesterday I came to his space on Twitter, and he's amazing. So he and I think Pedro organized this space, and there were over 100 people there, maybe 200. Quite a lot actually for 4 o'clock on a working day. And well, and we just chatted there. We just spoke about stuff. And you know what? I had like plus 50, plus 100 people. So I've been to 2 spaces of AD, day before yesterday, and now I have more than 100 more people, and I was like 520, 528. Now it's 630 or something. I don't remember now. So why did these people join? Well, for example, yesterday there was a guy who said, "Oh, I wish if somebody took people from point where they are and brought them to from different points actually where the people are, and brought them to their first commit in open source. I wish such project existed, but unfortunately it doesn't." And then I popped in and I said, "Well, this project exists. That's exactly what I'm doing. I'm doing it in masses. I'm following my friend's Sal idea, but Sal is a very Sal if I mispronounce your name, but they are a very good person, but they are very busy. So Sal can help how many people? Maybe 2, 3 per week. and I'm trying to do it in bulk. I'm trying to craft it for each type of person. So because everybody is coming from different diverse background, any person in the world. So I'm trying to craft it to you, and then obviously we post it and publish it to YouTube, and hopefully people who are like you, who are closer to you, uh, they will be able to reuse this. So that's my point, and that's why my channel grows slowly but surely, because I really care about people. So, and that's it. So guys, don't trust those auto systems. You don't need those 200 likes per day. You don't need those 200 automated posts per day. You can semi-automate it. You can pre-cook and pre-cook tweets. Let's say on Saturday have some time, so you pre-cook tweets for the whole week, and then you post them using Postly automatically. Basically, it's only schedule. Twitter itself has this functionality, so that's fine. That's completely fine. They won't be as organic, maybe, but they still will good tweets. So yeah, but don't try to cheat the system. There's no point. It's good enough for you because you genuinely care about people. So this thing is already good enough for you. LinkedIn, Twitter, whatever. No point whatsoever to waste your time cheating it. Instead, write less posts, but more targeted and more organic. That's it for today. I hope you liked it. So live long and prosper. Peace. Bye. Bye bye.